All right, I know I was doing a lot of back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So here was what I was up to. Y'all, I don't know where y'all live, but where the hell I live, we are just getting a lot of rain, a lot of rain. So I noticed I had a problem here. This concrete had cracked, and so with all that rain we was getting, the driveway had probably pulled away close to a 1/4 inch in some place, maybe about a 1/2 inch in other places. So that was allowing more water in, creating a bigger problem. And this was a really big problem because it was right under the gutter. So that crack was allowing the water straight into the foundation. So I patched that and I took care of this downspout. It was pretty it had actually dug a hole probably a foot deep, honestly. It really had dug in. So I took, let me back up a little bit so you can see. So I took dirt, I packed the hole back in with dirt, and then I took a sledgehammer to pack the dirt in, and then I took mulch, and I probably build that mulch area up probably about 4 to 6 inches, believe it or not, above the dirt. I tried to blend it in as well as I could with the landscape, with the contour of the ground. So, but yeah, this is what all this walking back and forth. Yeah, we're expecting a whole lot more rain. So, trying to protect my foundations as much as possible. Thanks for watching.